So hey, what's up guys, this video is about top 5 altcoins to buy in 2021 in October 2021. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button because it helps my channel to grow as well, and keep supporting the channel as well. Subscribe and press bell icon as well. And one more thing, that note, this is not a financial advice. Always do some research before investing into cryptocurrency, and I have given links to the books that I have read before investing in cryptocurrency, commodities and the different things. So you can check out those books. So the link to those books is in description. So let's start the video. On number one, we have the cryptocurrency, the altcoin, which is Solana. You can see it is a blockchain. It has smart contracts as well. It is amazing. You can see in the past 24 hours it has increased by 14%, almost 15%. You can see it was like $138 and it went to $164 as well. That's really great for this project as well. Let me show you some more stats as well. You can see trading volume has increased by 83%. That is amazing. That is what I call a gem. You can see the trading volume has increased by 83%. Let me show you some more details of this coin as well. You can see its all-time low was a year ago, which was just 50 cents, and it went up to all-time high, which was $214, which is 24% which is 24% down at this point as well. You can see it was like 23 days ago. So this was the number one project. Let me show you their total handle. They have around 668 k followers as well. You can see they are very active. You can see they are regularly posting content on the channel as well. You can see DeFi hackathon, and yeah, they are just telling about their project, their smart contracts, all their stuff as well. You can see Allbridge as well. You can see there are some more news about this one as well. Totally bridged to Solana during September, and if you look at the price of this one, so this is the total amount. You can count this one as well. You can see there is a lot of stuff on there. Basically Twitter handle. So where to buy this coin? It is listed almost on every big exchange. You can see Binance, Coinbase, FTX, Huobi Global. Let me show you some more exchanges as well. You can see Binance Exchange, Coinbase, FTX, Huobi Global, Bittrex, Qcoin. So yeah, it is almost listed on all the exchanges. So let's move towards the next one, which is Veracity, or you can call it the Vera coin as well, the Vera crypto as well. You can see its only price is just 3 cents, and it has increased by 10% in the last 24 hours. Let me show you its trading volume. It has increased by almost 60%. That is really amazing. Let me show you its all-time low and all-time high as well. You can see its all-time low was around 2 years ago, which was the triple zeros followed by 2, and its all-time high was just 5 cents, which is just 40% down at this time. And you can see where to buy this coin. Let me show you. You can see here is the Qcoin Gate.io, and you can see definitely it is mainly launched on Ethereum network, and so you can buy from Uniswap as well. But yeah, you can if you are looking for an exchange, I will definitely recommend Gate.io or Qcoin. So yeah, you can buy from that as well. So these are the exchanges where it is listed. It is not listed on Binance, it is not listed on Coinbase, so it has a lot of potential to grow as well. Why I'm saying my price prediction, I have made a video on the price prediction of this one as well. You can watch that video. I will give the link to that in the I button or on the end screen as well. Okay. So let me show you their Twitter handle. You can see they have 152k followers as well. 152 k followers as well. You can see their last post was on 30th of September. You can see they are very regular as well. There is a lot of news regarding this project. Basically, this is a gaming streaming. This is like a Theta kind of a project. It has a lot of potential. Its competitor is Theta, which is the cryptocurrency token for that as well. So let's move towards the number 3, and this is Cardano. You all know about this one as well. Who don't knows about this one? Everyone knows about this one as well. ADA, also known as ADA coin as well. You can see it has its price is $2.24. It has increased by 5.40%. Yeah, almost you can call it like 5.5%, yeah, you can call it. So yeah, look at its trading volume. It has increased by 14%. It is good, it's not that much bad as well. You can see it, look at its total supply, circulating supply as well. You can see its all-time low was 4 years ago, which was just 1 cent, and its all-time high was $3.10, which was like a month ago, and it is 27% down from that position as well. Where to buy this one as well? It is listed on almost every exchange. You can see it is listed on Coinbase, it is listed on Binance, it is listed on Huobi Global, KuCoin, Gate.io. So you can buy it from any of the exchanges as well. So let me show you its Twitter handle. You can see its Cardano community. It has 937 100k followers as well. So you can see it is amazing. You can see on 26 September they had a hard work as well, and it was very successful. Some people say it is successful, and some people say it was not that much successful. But yeah, they have a lot of potential to grow as well. I can see the difference. They can make a difference as well. My price prediction for this coin in will be like in the next 5 years, it will be like $5 to $10 maybe, if it is successful as a smart contract, as a blockchain, as a ecosystem. Then it can always reach like $50, $60, because Solana was something like that as well. And Solana just reached the top of mountains. And yeah, not the top of mountains, but you got my point. What I'm trying to say, that Solana grew very well. It just boomed. So yeah, we can see that in this project as well, which is Cardano. Let me show you number fourth one, which is VeChain, which is where it has increased by 16%, almost 16.5%, you can call it. And let me show you some more things about this one as well. You can see its trading volume has increased by 110%. That is amazing, literally that is amazing. And you can see its all-time low was like 2 years ago, which was 00 followed by 16, and its all-time high was 27 cents, and it is 61% down from that position. And you can see where it is listed and where it is not listed. Let me show you how to buy this one as well. You can buy from Binance, KuCoin, Binance US, Huobi Global, BitHub, Gate.io, and many other exchanges as well, not Coinbase. So yeah, you can buy it from Binance as well, Gate.io, KuCoin, OKX Exchange, and so on and so forth. Okay. So you can see they have 436.7k followers, so that is amazing. You can see VeChain Foundation, it is also a blockchain. It is developing its blockchain as well, and it is trying to be adopted as a big candidate like Cardano. It is trying to grow. It will grow definitely. In I think so my price prediction for this one will be like $4 to $5, like after 4 to 5 years, or maybe minimum. I'm talking about minimum. It's my price prediction. It's just prediction, it's my opinion. And in October you can see a good result in this project as well. No, this is not a financial advice. You can check out the books that I have that I recommended to read before investing in cryptocurrency. So the link to those books is in description as well. You can see here are some more things here on their Twitter handle as well. So you can see a lot of stuff is going on their Twitter handle as well. So you can see it is a very good project as well. The last one which we are talking in this video is Scotty, and you will be thinking why I am covering this project while it is negative 4%. So yeah, because it has a lot of potential. Cardano has done some partnership with it as well. Let me show you. Its trading volume has decreased by 14%, but look at the trading volume. Even it is decreased by 14%, but trading volume is okay. I'm fine with it as well. And you can buy the dip and sell it at a higher price as well. You can see its all-time high was 67 cents, and its all-time low was 0062. So let me show you where it is listed and how to buy this one as well. Basically it is a payment one, and I have made some videos on it, that can it be the next XRP, Ripple, or and will it reach like $3 or $5 in 2021 or in 2022? You can watch out my those two videos as well. It is listed on Coinbase, it is listed on Binance, it is listed on Binance US as well. You can see Qcoin, Uniswap as well, and there are a lot of exchanges. So it is also listed on all the major exchanges, and Cardano has done partnership with it as well. You can see it has 157.5k followers as well. You can see they have their personalized and customized debit card as well, which is Visa card. You can see they have partnerships with Cardano. They are developing stable coins for Cardano. They are also developing stable coins for DJet, stable coin for Cardano blockchain as well, from which they will which will the native token for Cardano smart chain blockchain, whatever you want to call it. You can see they have done partnership with Cardano, so it has a lot of potential to grow in the future as well. You can see DJet stablecoin issued by Corti. It will be issued by Corti, and it will be the native token for trading in blockchain. Cardano's ADA blockchain as well. So yeah, this was a video. I really hope so. You will hit the like button. I really hope so. You have hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well and press bell icon, because I always bring this much amazing content on the channel. And the books that I was talking about, I have given the link to those books in description and pinned in the comment section as well. So make sure to check out those as well. So this was the video. See you next time. Bye guys. Peace.